In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 budget gaming PCs available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best budget gaming PCs. The 5th product on our list is the HP Pavilion Gaming. Gaming laptops are a big deal, right? Yet most gaming enthusiasts still prefer desktop PCs, probably because of the budget-friendly price or the flexibility they get. Whatever your reasons for wanting a gaming desktop are, you should check out the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop because it comes packed with the latest technology to give you a beautiful gaming experience. Apart from its bold and beautiful design that is built to last, this gaming PC delivers ultra-high performance with its AMD Ryzen 5 3500 processor at a speed of 3.6 to 4.1 GHz. The combination of 8GB of RAM, 256GB drive storage, and 4GB dedicated graphics memory on this unit makes it a strong contender in its class. This machine is more than a gaming tool because it can handle other tasks like content creation, schoolwork, office applications, and web browsing, among others. And because it features a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, even modern AAA gaming is possible. We liked that you can enhance your gaming experience using the OMEN Command Center software that allows you to customize the RGB lighting and play your games remotely. It includes a decent number of ports for connectivity, including 4 USB 3.1 ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 4 USB 2.0 ports, an RJ45 Ethernet port, a headphone microphone jack, and an SD card slot. On the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Super Graphics card, you have an HDMI, DVI, and DisplayPort, just in case you need to do a dual monitor setup. It supports Realtek Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and MU-MIMO for wireless connectivity. Its pros are, it is expandable and upgradable, it has a sleek and sturdy design, and it offers customizable LED lighting. However, its cons are, it can struggle with ultra settings on new games, and it does not allow toolless upgrades. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a suitable product for anyone who wants a flexible product that they can use as a gaming hub at home or a productivity tool at the workplace. Up next in 4th place is the SkyTech Blaze II. The SkyTech Blaze II gaming computer is an uncompromisingly high-performance gaming rig built with up-to-date tech devices to give you the best gaming experience. From the design to the capacity, capability, and delivery, it is safe to say that this entry to mid-level gaming computer is money well spent. We liked that the design is designed to deliver a completely immersive gaming experience, and this is thanks to the powerful Ryzen processor that provides top operational speed from 3.6 GHz to 4.1 GHz, and the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 that offers the best graphics. Like SkyTech says, this gaming computer is made for gamers by gamers, which means that every design and feature was thoroughly tested and considered before being implemented. We found this to be accurate as an entry to mid-level gaming unit. The SkyBlaze is designed mainly for esports and online competitive gaming, but even if you want to live stream your game, you can confidently do so because the high frame rates of the PC delivers a smooth streaming experience on your end and a smooth viewing experience for your fans. Its pros are, it comes with a 1-year warranty, it has a beautiful design with tempered glass side panels, and its fan noise is low. However, its cons are, most customers complained of low storage capacity, and it does not have optical drives. The SkyTech Blaze II is recommended for entry or mid-level gamers looking to buy their first dedicated PC. Still haven't found a budget gaming PC that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme. Like the previous gaming PCs we just talked about, the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme is an entry-level gaming PC with high-quality performance for both gaming and productivity. We like the compact but beautiful design, expandable chassis, and highly functional features of this device. This impressive desktop features an Intel Core i3 10th generation processor that operates at a speed of 3.7 GHz, a GeForce GTX graphics card, and an ultra-quick 8GB of RAM, all working together to ensure that it runs smoothly even when handling intense tasks such as high-definition video playback and gaming. So whether you want to immerse yourself in esports or you need a gaming PC that generates high frame rates per second and rich graphics, even while reducing power consumption so that you get to play longer, then the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme should be your go-to. What's more, this device comes with a free black 10T keyboard with an ergonomic design, 8 unique multimedia keys, and a 3-button 7 RGB color LED backlight gaming mouse, all put together to give you a customizable edge for a better gaming experience. We particularly like the tempered glass side panel, which gave it a unique and aesthetically pleasing look. And for a gaming PC with a 500GB SSD, you get just enough for your storage needs. Its pros are, it is optimized for better performance gaming. It has an attractive design with RGB lighting and the system runs quietly. However, its cons are it does not have USB Type-C or Thunderbolt 3 ports, and the wireless card signal is weak. The CYBERPOWER Gamer Xtreme is for first-time gamers who want an immersive gaming experience. The second product on our list is the SkyTech Gaming Archangel 3.0. Gamers are a tough crowd to please, yet SkyTech has found a way to keep them hooked with their fast and reliable systems. Every SkyTech gaming PC, including the Archangel 3.0, comes equipped with consistent color schemes, vibrant RGB lighting, high build quality, and professional cabling to meet the high standards of today's modern PC gamer. The Archangel 3.0 is fully optimized for 1080p gaming because it delivers the ideal frames per second each game requires. So while PUBG might be displayed at 44 frames per second, something like Metro Exodus could go as high as 110 frames per second. To enhance the performance and delivery of this device, SkyTech equipped it with a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 3600 3rd Gen 6-core processor that has a processing speed of 3.6 to 4.2 GHz, which doubles its graphics bandwidth capacity. We also liked that the GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card enhances performance and image quality when streaming your games live. Even the Windows 10 operating system, 8GB game memory, and 500GB SSD storage contribute to its uncompromisingly high gaming performance. We also noticed the 3 RGB ring fans and CPU air cooler allow the PC to operate quietly and efficiently without overheating. What's more, the RGB light bar front panel and RGB fans add a sleek and modern look to this PC so that it adds some aesthetically pleasing views to your gaming space. Its pros are, it supports virtual reality and 4K gaming videos. The graphics card and storage system are customizable, and it has a solid high-resolution gaming performance. However, it lacks USB Thunderbolt 3.0 ports. The SkyTech Gaming Archangel 3.0 is recommended for gamers who want a desktop that offers stable and satisfying performance in all titles. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top budget gaming PC is the OMEN 25L. The OMEN 25L gaming desktop is not just a PC, but one that can boost your creativity and gaming experience with its impressive performance and real-time ray tracing. The sleek and refined design alone will get you considering this desktop even before checking out the features and specifications. Equipped with a powerful 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics, and a HyperX Fury 8GB RAM. You should have little or no trouble running 1080p games at ridiculously high frame rates because this device allows most 4K games to run at or above 60 frames per second. Nevertheless, it is just as functional and high performance as it is beautiful. With this, you don't have to complain about losing due to your setup again because you can just play the way you want, as this desktop offers you the opportunity to customize your system layout according to your gaming needs. And with the OMEN Command Center software, you can boost your network and optimize connectivity, overclock CPU and RAM, and customize chassis lighting. You also get a range of connectivity options on this device, including a headphone microphone jack, 4 SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports, 2 USB 2.0 Type-A ports, 1 SuperSpeed USB Type-C port, and 1 Ethernet port, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Furthermore, you can also get an HP black-wired keyboard with volume control and a wired optical mouse to complete the package. We think this unit has everything you need to dive right into the world of PC gaming without breaking the bank. Its pros are, its RAM is upgradable. It has a toolless access for easy customization and maintenance, and it can run 4K games at solid frame rates. However, it has some possible issues with airflow. The OMEN 25L gaming desktop is suitable for savvy gamers who need an upgradable and optimizable gaming PC at an affordable price. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.